hit it. And then...
I was bullshitting.
Logan, look up.
I make it all the time.
Honey, thank you.
Done.
I don't know how to do this without, like... For me, you're to move around, probably.
Is it just on my eye?
No, it's on your face.
Can you see my eye really good?
Mm-hmm.
Do I like an egg?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I don't know if are you gonna want us to stir carve your eyebrows?
No, because I don't know how to sister carve my eyebrows.
Okay, sometimes you put concealer around it, and then you just, like, blend it. But the carrot's gonna be light, so you're gonna put a foundation over it. I'm just gonna put this on your eye.
I can't wait to watch this.
I hate myself talking in videos, so I'm probably not gonna talk a lot. Like, you can just watch.
You're gonna be proud of me. I told Aubrey the other day I liked her hair in the hallway.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We should have had you lay down and done this. I'm gonna put you here.
Lay down?
Yeah, like, or at least, like, lean back. Like, why can't I have a reclining beauty chair, you know?
I mean, yeah. I get it. Like, you know how they wash your hair after you get your hair done?
Yeah.
And you're, like, laid back. That's, like, the most uncomfortable pain
I hate
in
when
your
the thing,
neck.
like, it'll drip sometimes. Fun fact.
Fun fact.
I'll, like, squirt, I guess.
Oh, God, okay. Can we have some music, please?
Well, I'm usually going to play music.
Nandi.
If I edit this, I'm just gonna, like, cut out the audio.
Yeah, please do
And
that.
put, like, little...
Please do not, because, like, I'm living my best life.
Okay, we're going... I need to reach over, and I need you to not, like, get my face in this.
Please get my whole face.
Okay, so that this is the ones, you're gonna want... I feel like I should tongue glue around this. To take tempera and pat that on your lids so that...
I don't know what you just said.
That's the color, like, just so, like, that's sister blends. I think you're doing great, sweetie.
Tempera.
Stop moving on.
Are these the palettes I'm using?
Yes.
Okay.
We're going to be stop moving, that's not how it works.
She's talking to me.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I was talking to her, because the more she
like,
moves, the more I have
that's
to
not how
focus.
this works.
I had to focus her.
And
Did you put concealer on my eye?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to take this small black brush at first to get some nice...
Let me see the brush.
Yes. Get the brush.
Nice transition shade, warm top is my personal favorite. And you're gonna want to, can you like lean back? I'm sorry. You're gonna like get it in your, so like lift your eyebrow right here. Sorry. And circular motions, you wanna hold towards the end of the brush or it's gonna be too hard. It's not gonna blend nice. And just get it. A fluffy into the crease. Blend up. Pretty sure this has some slight purple on it still, but you get the gist. Did you feel like they wash all these brushes before they use them? Mistletoe.
This is gonna be like an hour-long video.
I can edit it. Chastity still isn't emailing back about my freaking video for English, and it's due on Monday, so... Honey, I don't know...
I'm going to try to go tomorrow and just get it over with.
What?
To present nothing.
Oh.
Because I'm just going to go up there and talk. I'm not going to have a PowerPoint.
I need to, because I need to be with my 5th item as well.
Did she approve your work sync?
Yeah.
You want a silvery look, neutral. Don't have any silvers in this palette. Are you with Brooklyn that day?
Yes.
I was like, because I know the Naked 2 palette.
I have 2 naked palettes in my case if you want to look at them.
Maybe. I might be with Brooklyn. I'm not sure. Do it without hers.
Okay. I'm going to grab this Jaclyn one.
Because if I can do it without her, then I'll try.
Do you have a silver eyeshadow or no? Just this? We're just going to, yeah, show me a different brush. We're going to grab this fluffy brush. Fluffy end.
Look at it.
Okay.
And you're going to, like, want to swirl it because picking up...
Wait, am I going to have that palette?
Yeah, you're going to have all of them.
Get what color she just did. My bougie nail.
I don't have to focus it. What's that one?
You're gonna, glitters are hard to pick up. And just Again in the corner. I always like to like put it like so like the darkest part like goes in a little bit. And your best bet is going to be to practice, practice, practice.
Am I the only one who knows this song?
No, it's on my playlist. Swear
Also,
to God.
don't do your foundation before your all this like under stuff's gonna get stuck on. 'Cause glitter gets everywhere. I know the song, yeah.
I think I played it while you were in my car the other day.
Me?
No.
Yeah. I think I've heard it on like the radio. Okay, new color, Brooklyn.
Okay.
Same brush?
Yeah, because it's just going darker. And you want to just.
I hope you have the death grip that at least has on my head in this video.
I'm sorry, I'm aggressive. Thank God not becoming an MUA. Now we're gonna go smaller because I'm gonna whip out some black. I like this brush.
Is that one mine?
I want to say yes, but we had the same one, so
Okay. Well,
it's okay if you have it. I honestly am not going to use it. So you're gonna take black now, and like I said, go down, downward angle. I'm gonna blend. Now I'm gonna go fluffier brush that doesn't have any color on it, so that your entire eye's not black. This one's big, but you know what? It's okay. We're gonna go again with black, make the corner a little bit darker. So I'm not gonna blend as much. I'm just gonna. Do it on your other eye. Sorry. I feel like I'm abusing you. Aaron got his dog today.
Oh.
what kind of dog is it?
It's a mutt, but was one brown eye, one blue eye. His name is Blue, I think. I don't say unless Cheeks changed it. I'm gonna go back and take this glitter shade and just blend it a bit, because why not? You know.
Where's glitter shade?
Brooklyn took a video of it. It's the second dark brown one. This one.
Okay.
Go back with the black. Back it. I'm gonna give you my Urban Decay.
I have that same brush at home.
3. Yeah, I don't even have this palette. Fun fact. I'm gonna go back with this color and just blend a bit. Then with our lightest color, we're gonna take this, probably a small one. This is yours, I believe. Give me the makeup or that makeup revolution spray, setting spray. You're going to spray the brush. Take this light shade. And pack it in.
So am I using both of these palettes?
Yeah, I used the warm top and this one. You probably could do without. Cause for some, I was gonna do a red look, but then I didn't know if you just wanted silver. I could take this off and we can do a second one. So you have options.
Okay.
Okay,
I
look
like
in the
this one.
mirror.
You do?
Cause I'm not sure how it looks honestly.
Close your eyes real quick. Open them. Cute. Okay, can I start recording?